Most out of context situation.
Snake minigun edition.
Stick fight. Snakes edition with miniguns.
Only miniguns.
Yeah.
Oh man.
That was loud.
Massive liking.
Yeah. Oh.
If there wasn't so many clips, this one would be.
Man, I only use one.
I don't use that type of stuff.
You literally, I think, hit me.
I did.
Ah, that act backfire. Who fired a shotgun? They will pay with their life.
I want to play with the snakes.
Oh, you
We
don't?
need a snake. It would be cool to get the snake pet.
This is nuts.
This ain't a snake. It don't exist.
Can't live without the snakes.
Yeah, I couldn't. I got scared. Oh my gosh! Hey, how's everyone doing today? Oh!
I think there were snakes on that map.
I don't know. It's hard to tell. We should make a pit in here and just lag this whole game. No, not kill me! No! No!
You're going with me.
Oh!
We like.
Oh.
Another boss.
I will be the boss. So we can kill you.
I will get in a corner.
Yeah, so Jay can lay on top of you and he can kill you. I cannot believe that worked in that snake video.
I did not think it would.
It really feels like you do no damage.
I know. That's why I kind of like just stand around it in one area and shoot. Because it literally feels like that so much. Oh. Oh. Oh my god, I'm actually dead.
I think I punched you.
No, I don't think we could kill each other. When it's a boss fight.
Yeah, unless the boss is dead.
I gotta take a deuce.
Have fun.
You think I could just do it right on the ground?
Sure.
You let little Fluffy off for her walk.
Yeah.
I don't care. I knew I was dead.
There's gonna be snakes. There's snakes in this map.
We also get... final round is next.
Oh, I thought I died.
Okay, all of us have to get a minigun and oh.
Hear me?
Winner! And